6 shocking psychological hacks everyone must know. Number 1. If you really want to know about people and their character, always notice the way they treat people who can't do anything for them. Number 2. When you first try something new, you should have no expectations. This will prevent you from the disappointment of failure. Number 3. The majority of people's favorite topics to discuss are themselves. If you don't know what to say, or if there is an awkward silence, simply ask them questions. This will convey to them that you are genuinely interested. Number 4. Remembering a person's name is important because that person's name means something to them. When you remember a person's name, you make them feel important. Number 5. When you meet new people, take note of their eye color while smiling at them. Don't say anything about it. It's a great way to ensure you're actually looking them in the eyes. Number 6. When someone answers your questions partially, wait, please do not interrupt. When you don't say anything, there is a good chance they'll finish the sentence. If you agree with me, please give a thumbs up to this video and type "agree" in the comment box and subscribe for more informative videos.